Hey everyone, I'm Ms. Milkowski, the mathematician, and today we are going to talk about multiplying complex numbers. All right, so let's take a look. We've got write the expression as a complex number in standard form. So we have 2 minus 3i times negative 4 plus 5i. All right, we need to write it in standard form. So let's remind ourselves what standard form is. Standard form is a plus bi. All right, so how are we going to get there? We're just going to multiply these two complex numbers out and simplify. All right, so when it comes to multiplying binomials, okay, there are lots of methods. There's FOIL, there's a box method, there's a distribution method, which is my favorite but not very popular. So for this video, we're going to stick to FOIL, but maybe I can look into making videos on the other two methods. All right, so what is FOIL? So let us remind ourselves. So let me take a good color here. So let's use the purple here. Okay, so FOIL stands for first. Okay, and I'm going to keep switching colors here. First, O, outside. Okay, let's use another color that's good. I love using colored markers, they're very good. Okay, so first, outside, inside. Okay, and then one more color that would be good. Let's do orange. Okay, and last. I think there is enough difference between the red and the orange. And I've already got the green up there and the blue. Okay, awesome. So this is telling us which terms we're multiplying together. So first means we are multiplying the first two terms together, okay? Boom. So 2 times negative 4, that's going to be negative 8. Then we go to outside. So we multiply the two outside terms together. 2 times 5i. So 2 times 5i is 10i. Awesome. Then inside. That was the brown one. Oops, I'll pick that up in a second. Then inside, okay, so that's going to be our inside terms, right? These are first, outside, inside terms. So that's going to be negative 3i times negative 4. So what's that going to be? Positive 12i. Great. And then last. So these are our last terms, okay, our last ones. So that's negative 3i times 5i. So that's going to be what? Negative 15i squared. Awesome. Now we have to take all of this and get it in the form a plus bi. Okay, so we're going to combine like terms. All right, so let's see here. I've got a 10i and a 12i, so I can combine those. But I can't do anything with the negative 8 and the negative 15i squared yet, okay? So let me write it as... Let's do this. So we'll keep the colors that we have here. Okay, awesome. So negative 8, then positive 10i plus 12i is going to be 22i. Awesome. Now I've got minus 15i squared. Perfect. Okay, so again, I looked at standard form. It's a plus bi. All right, so here's the problem. There's no I squared in that, okay? But I have an I squared here, so I got to get rid of it. So I have to think about how do I get rid of an I squared? Well, remember complex numbers, okay? Remember I. All right, we know that I is the square root of negative 1. So I squared equals negative 1. This is so super duper important, okay? What it means is wherever we see an I squared, we can substitute a negative 1 in, okay? You need to remember that. That shows up in math all the time, in the classroom, and also on standardized tests like the ACT and SAT. So just always remember that. If I see an I squared and I know I'm dealing with complex numbers, with imaginary numbers, I know that I want to replace I squared with negative 1. So here is our I squared right there. So we are going to take this negative 1 and we are going to plug it in. All right. So now, where's my purple? Okay, so we've got negative 8 plus 22i, and then minus 15, and then I squared is negative 1. So we will put a negative 1 in there. Perfect. Awesome. Okay, now we just simplify more. So we've got still -8, -8, and then plus 22i, and then minus, I'm going to put down the blue marker because I don't need it anymore. Okay, minus 15. Okay, so minus, and then 15 times -1 is -15. Perfect. So then that becomes plus, right? Some teachers put it in as like a thing here and make it a plus, or they do plus the positive, whatever you want to do. So now look at this. We've got a -8 and a positive 15. So we can combine like terms right there. Okay, and I'm going to use the green again because that's what we originally started with. So -8 plus 15, okay, is going to be 7. And then we have plus 22i. Awesome. So there you go. So there you go. So that's how we write this expression. That's how we multiply 2 minus 3i by -4 plus 5i. And I hope you like the use of colors. I also did that because I work with undergraduates who are studying to be math teachers, and I always tell them how using colors is so important, because then students can see, oh, first that was the purple. Ooh, okay, outside that was the red. Inside that was the brown. Last that was the orange, all right? So there you go. Hey everyone, I'm Ms. Milkowski, the mathematician, and I hope you found that last video helpful. If you have any questions, or if there are any topics you'd like to see me cover in future videos, definitely let me know in the comments below. Thank you again for watching. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'm going to leave you with the most important piece of advice I can give you, which is when you're doing mathematics, always ask why.